Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of black raspberries. These little gems might be small in size, but when it comes to health benefits, they're nothing short of mighty. Join us as we explore the vibrant world of black raspberries, from their delectable taste to the remarkable array of wellness advantages they bring to the table. Get ready to savor the sweetness of knowledge and discover why adding black raspberries to your diet can be a very good choice for your health. Let's begin. Black raspberries are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, quercetin, and ellagic acid, which help combat oxidative stress, protect cells from damage, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Let's talk about our heart health. The potassium content in black raspberries helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium, promoting healthy blood vessel function, and supporting overall cardiovascular health. Black raspberries' high fiber content, combined with antioxidants like anthocyanins, may help lower LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. The antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, have been linked to improving the health of blood vessels and reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, which is the hardening and narrowing of arteries. Potassium, found in black raspberries, plays a role in maintaining proper heart rhythm and preventing irregular heartbeats. But the benefits don't stop there. Black raspberries are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, quercetin, and ellagic acid. These compounds play a vital role in neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage cells and DNA, contributing to cancer development. The antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress, a key factor in the initiation and progression of cancer. Ellagic acid, found in black raspberries, is known for its potential to enhance DNA repair mechanisms, preventing genetic mutations that could lead to cancer. Certain compounds in black raspberries may promote apoptosis, which is a programmed cell death process that helps eliminate damaged or abnormal cells, reducing the risk of cancer formation. Black raspberries have shown promise in reducing the risk of oral cancers, as the antioxidants target specific pathways involved in oral cancer development. Regular consumption of black raspberries has been associated with a reduced risk of colon cancer due to their potential to inhibit the growth of colon cancer cells. The antioxidants and fiber in black raspberries may help protect against esophageal cancer by reducing inflammation and promoting healthy digestion. What's more, the high content of vitamin C in black raspberries supports the immune system, enhancing the body's ability to fight infections and illnesses. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. To all beauty enthusiasts, black raspberries' water content, coupled with their antioxidant properties, helps keep the skin hydrated and plump, contributing to a healthy and glowing complexion. Some bioactive compounds in black raspberries have demonstrated potential in reducing inflammation within the skin, benefiting individuals with inflammatory skin conditions. Antioxidants like anthocyanins can contribute to even skin tone by preventing the formation of hyperpigmentation and reducing the appearance of age spots. The combination of antioxidants and vitamins can help minimize the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, promoting a more youthful complexion. Additionally, black raspberries' antioxidants and nutrients support the liver, the body's primary detoxification organ, by aiding its natural detox processes. Black raspberries' dietary fiber aids in regular bowel movements, promoting the efficient elimination of waste and toxins from the body. Black raspberries' water content and antioxidants may support kidney function, helping filter and eliminate toxins through urine. What's important, as we said before, black raspberries are rich in dietary fiber, which can help slow down the absorption of glucose from the digestive tract, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. They have a relatively low glycemic index, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels when consumed. The antioxidants and bioactive compounds in black raspberries may enhance insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to better utilize glucose for energy and promoting balanced blood sugar levels. Consuming them after a meal can contribute to better post-meal blood sugar control, particularly if the meal contained carbohydrates. Did you know? Lutein and zeaxanthin found in black raspberries are beneficial for eye health, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and promoting good vision. Lastly, The antioxidants in black raspberries may support brain health by protecting neurons from oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline. And there you have it, the delightful journey through the world of black raspberries. By adding a handful of these succulent berries to your routine, you're indulging in a sweet way to support your body. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.